The potentially deadly mosquito-borne disease known as EEE has been found now in Berry County. Residents there are now being urged to take precautions. News 8's Demetrius Sanders spoke with the Berry-Eaton District Health Department about the dangers of the disease. He's in studio tonight with more.
Well, the disease was found by the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services in a pool of mosquitoes that was collected on June 30th. Health officials in Berry County say while no cases have been reported in humans or animals as of tonight, that hasn't always been the case in the past.
It's likely when one mosquito or a few mosquitoes test positive that there's others in the area.
As of the end of June, over 600 mosquito pools have been tested in Michigan. One of them collected in Berry County testing positive for Eastern Equine Encephalitis.
At our health department, we also cover Eaton County, and we had a horse last year that passed away from EEE. And so we really are concerned this year that it could happen again.
For horses that become infected with EEE, their chances of survival is very low.
EEE is extremely dangerous for horses. The fatality rate for horses is 90% for horses that become ill.
Human cases of the disease are rare, with none reported in the state in 2022, but humans that become sick from EEE have a fatality rate of 33%.
And it only takes one mosquito bite for someone to get EEE from a mosquito who has it.
Smell cannot say the exact location where the mosquitoes that tested positive were collected, but residents are being encouraged to take steps to protect themselves.
Wearing long sleeves and pants when you go outside, and keeping screens intact on doors and windows, as well as taking care of any standing water in your yard, like from an old tire or a children's pool or a bucket.
Horse owners should also help their animals avoid mosquitoes.
We've given the same advice of talking to their veterinarians about how best to protect their horses, as well as using insect repellent that is appropriate for the species of horse that they have.
And Smell says to be on alert for the symptoms of EEE.
The symptoms of EEE can include an onset of fever, chills, body aches, and can progress from there. And so it's really important if you're feeling those symptoms and you know you've been around mosquitoes to talk to your doctor about it.
Now, EEE is not spread from human to human or horse to human contact. The most recent human death in Michigan from the disease occurred in 2020, and Smell says at this time, the health department will continue to monitor the situation. Brian.